With the growth made, the WhatsApp bot of QDC, you now have the option to send marketing WhatsApp messages to your customers. These messages must be pre approved by Meta before they can be sent. Once approved, you can view all of these messages in the super admin or at the store level in the All Customers tab. Once you select the customers that you want to send the message to, the Send WhatsApp button activates. You can click on this button and choose the message template that you want to send to your customers. You can also upload any image that is best suited with the particular template. Once done, you can click on send and the message will be sent on the WhatsApp to all of your customers. Same thing can be done from the store itself. When you select the customer, it automatically activates the option to send the WhatsApp. You can choose the customers as per requirement and send the messages to them for the marketing purposes. Thank you.